T wave inversion is seen in pulmonary thromboembolism. Absent P wave is seen in atrial fibrillation. Henderson-Peterson bodies are seen in molluscum contagiosum. Mortality in Ivor Lewis operation is due to anastomotic leak. Coffee bean sign is seen in volvulus. Satellite punched out lesion is seen in borderline lepromatous leprosy. Aneurysmal subarachnoid hemorrhage presents as thunderclap headache. Defective calcium ATPase in Hailey-Hailey disease presents as long white nail bands. Post-Kala-Azar dermal leishmaniasis drug of choice is miltefosine. Enclomiphene citrate has anti-estrogenic effect used to induce ovulation in females and in hypogonadism. Celiac disease can lead to GI lymphoma or enteropathy associated T cell lymphoma. Secondary amenorrhea after postpartum pituitary hemorrhage is called Sheehan's syndrome. TB endometritis is caused by retrograde spread. Therapeutic drug monitoring is done for phenytoin, cyclophosphamide, and tacrolimus. Massive blood transfusion leads to hyperkalemia, hypothermia, and citrate toxicity. After renal transplant, skin cancer is the commonest malignancy. Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome is characterized by thrombocytopenia. Thoracotomy indication in pneumothorax is when it is more than 1500 ml found when ICT is placed with hourly ICT collection 200 to 300 ml. Mallory Weiss tear occurs because of tear in the left gastric artery. Signet ring cells is seen in diffuse gastric carcinoma. Drug-induced acne is due to steroids, OCP, and isoniazid. Ureterocele shows adder head or cobra head or spring onion appearance on IVP. Brody-Trendelenburg's test is positive in saphenofemoral incompetence. Half-end nail sign is seen in patients with uremia. Half and half nail sign. Ramsay-Hunt syndrome presents as vesicular rash around the ear along with facial nerve palsy.